years now, I think all of you that there is no question that how to develop a mobile application, because I think that we can clear, but finally it is up to you to write a code, because we cannot explain you here how to use for loop and while loop and everything. So that is your job, and don't expect those things from us that we explain you the syntax and everything, because syntax are already written in the API reference manual, so you can refer them. Simply you need to refer them, that's it, because you will be given an API reference guide also, and looking at that particular guide you can write your own code. Finally it is your algorithm, your logic to find out to make an application. Technology platforms and everything. So it means that what we are doing here is a kind of announced at global level, and any of you are interested in your colleges, you can definitely arrange this sort of workshop. Even at your end also you can give lectures and make aware the juniors of yours. So anyone you can help, you can meet our help. If you wish our help, you can definitely take. If it is possible, you will come to your institution and you will be giving some lectures. We have, you will be surprised that Forum Nokia announces every 6 months some recognized developers as a Forum Nokia champion. And globally they decide or finalize something around 60 to 70 people. And they award them as a Forum Nokia champion, and they get a privilege to access the Forum Nokia extranet. Extranet is basically a kind of access to their portal where you can learn about pre-releases. Pre-release means, for example, what they are working right now in the R&D, which has not been announced till now. So you have an access to those documents, those devices, as well as whenever you will be awarded as a Forum Nokia champion, they will send you a diploma certificate by Forum Nokia and a gift of your choice. This you have a list of all the mobile phones, you simply tick that and put your address over there, you will get a device within 4 days. And another privilege what you get is, you can ask for a loan device every month. It means that you have one phone as a gift, but you may be planning to work on, say, for example, 5800 or an N900. So there is an option on the extranet that you simply select that phone, they will deliver it to you via DHL from Finland. You use it, don't worry about the phone, whether you break it or whatever you do with that phone. But the condition is that you have to simply return after 1 month. And it is already prepaid DHL cover that you have to simply call the DHL guy, he will take it from your home and he will deliver back to the Finland. Again next month you can ask for another device. So for 12 months you have 12 phones, but you will need to return, and that is extra than the gift. So this is a kind of feature, and we have many a times asked for the loan device and we have received them and we have returned back. Some students might think that at the 12th month, when the Forum Nokia champion titleship finishes up, because this title or the championship is for 1 year only. So again you need to be an active developer, and again they will recognize you. So all of us are like recognized since last 4 years. Every year we have been awarded. But don't think like that at the 12th month take the device and don't return. So it should not be like that, because there are some agreements you need to sign online. That it is known as non-disclosure agreement, that is called as NDA. NDA is a kind of agreement between you and Nokia that what you are getting from them, you are not actually disclosing to others in terms of R&D support. And another thing is, they also invite you for some of the Forum Nokia events, maybe at outside India. You may get a free ticket for that. Last year I got a ticket from Symbian for delivering lectures at the London headquarters. So I was happy, and before that also I got a kind of support from them to visit London. And one of the students from my college went to Finland. He stayed there at Nokia R&D Center for 10 days, and he also delivered some lectures over there because he was more active than me. And in India there are lots of events happening about Forum Nokia at Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. So they will definitely invite you. Last 2 months back, all of us were at Bangalore, and the treatment was extraordinary. They give you everything, airfare and hotel stay in Taj, 5-star hotel and everything. And lots of gifts are always coming to you, like Mehul has some sort of power chargers, hard disks, and I have some stereo Bluetooth headsets and everything. So sometimes they ask for some feedbacks. Like for example, there is a flashlight technology. They may ask you to give some feedback that how do you feel this technology, how it is happening, how it is useful to the society. So you give a feedback, and on the random selection of the feedback, they will again give you with some gifts. So as a giving a feedback for this one flashlight, I got E90, and I was lucky to get that. So Nokia has shipped highest phones to Gujarat, and that is again in Bhavnagar. In last 3 years, they shipped something around 25 phones, and that is the highest part globally. So they know that what we are doing in Gujarat and how the Gujarat students are doing well in terms of development, and many of the students have got a very good job in number of mobile application development companies. I have lots of big list of students who are working in various companies who are working on mobile application development platform. And again, if you are a very good developer, even though you are a student, they will call you to deliver some expert sessions at their office or maybe to some universities or maybe to some events. In terms of like, see, what you know, they actually honors you for that, and that is the thing what we need. And finally, once you have a recognition, there will be a specific page on their website. They will write about you, that what you are doing and what is your expertise and everything. And they announce as a contributor of the month, champion of the month. All these are titles which you can get. Once you are recognized with this sort of titles, definitely there are 50% chance clear that you will be the next Forum Nokia champion. And today I will show you some parts of these sites. And for code samples and everything, visit wiki.forum.nokia.com. You will find all the code samples. Whatever questions is there in your mind, that how to take a picture from the camera, in Python, in Symbian C++, in Flashlight, in Widget, all the code samples are available. So visit to the section in which you are interested, and you will find the code sample. There are thousands of code samples, and the wiki site is only created by the developers. Nokia has not contributed anything in that, but when you will visit that site, you will see that there is a huge content. And if you are submitting very good code samples and articles to them, they will invite you to be the administrator of the wiki administrator site. So every month there will be a kind of selection for a contributor of the month, and you will be the part of that team with Nokia experts, and you can judge a particular person by reviewing their articles and code samples. Even you have a right to edit their site, and based on that, it is a kind of honor which you can write into your CV that I was the administrator for the wiki.forum.nokia website. So this is all about, and there are other sections also, like this one. If you visit on Forum Nokia site, there is a section for usability, user experience. So if you are using some device, if you have a very good user experience, you can suggest them, and you will definitely find that there are lots of changes they are making on your feedback. So we have also suggested a number of feedbacks, and finally we see that based on that feedback, actually they have changed a little bit in the device or in their website or in the code, whatever you wish. So we have our rights to do, and they allow us to do that. That is a kind of honor as a Nokia's developer site, and or maybe as a champion or as a administrator of the site. And try to write your blog, or try to create your blog space where you can write what you are doing. So when there will be a nomination, because finally how you can become a Forum Nokia champion is that you have to nominate yourself, or others will nominate you. For example, I find some of you doing very well on the website, because we normally refer that site and we find that this particular user is doing well, he is answering well, he is writing very good blogs, he is working or announcing some code or example or maybe application. So at that time, at the end of 6 months, we will nominate a particular person with his detail, that this guy has done really well, and finally that will be judged by their expert. And you need to self-nominate also, because that is compulsory. First of all, you need to nominate yourself, then others' nomination will be considered. So if you will not nominate yourself, and only there will be an external nomination, you will not become a Forum Nokia champion. So these are the way how to become a Forum Nokia champion. Once you have that certificate, I think none of the company who is actually working in mobile application development will deny you for getting the job, because it's a global recognition, and which has been given by the developers throughout the world. And if you consider, like, there are something around 3 lakhs or maybe 30 lakhs, I'm not sure about the registered developers on the site, and if you are recognized out of them, it is a kind of very good status for you, that out of all these 30 lakhs you are the first 70 people. So I wish that, and I hope that at least I will find 2-3 champions out of these audience in next 6 months. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.